Hello, this is me Hamza, and in the last tutorial we have created some styles for our title and our message body, which is here in custom list styles. And in this tutorial we will for the moment, if we check our application, whenever we click on these items, it doesn't change this icons. So in this tutorial we will just make it on and off. So let's do it. First, let's go to our messages. I don't know why I have put this message, this image IDs here. I will remove these getters and setters also, and I will add another class variable here, which is a private boolean read, and yeah, boolean read this dot read equal to read, and let's make it getters and setters. Public void set a read equal to boolean read equal to this dot read equal to read. Public boolean is or return read. Now let's go back to our messages list class and remove these icons IDs from here and here, and put here. Let's make it false by default. This false and false. Okay, now let's go back to our message adapter and let's get drawable. Let's make it null, and if message dot is read, if it's true, so we will get else message dot is read, let's make it false. Okay, let's create another drawable for another icon. Yeah, vector assets, browse it. Okay, now icon, let's change its name to white icon, maybe white message icon. Double click on it and change it to to white color. Now let's go back to our message adapter and make it context dot drawable equal to context dot get resources dot get drawable or dot drawable dot white message icon, and drawable equal to drawable. Okay, if our message is false, so we will just make it we will just get this black icon, and if it's true, if we make it true, so it will get this white icon, and then we will set it to our view. So now let's go back to our main activity and let's put some if else statements here. If message dot is read, if message dot is already read, if it's read, so we will make it message dot set read to false. If it's already true and you click on it, we will make it false. And if else if message dot is read, if it's false, so we will just make it true. These are simple statements. And yeah, let's create another method here to update our list. So public void update message message list dot set message dot id dot get id and message. So we are setting this message, the one we, for example, we make it here true, we get a message on a position first, for example, and we make it true here. So then we will just update our adapter dot update. We pass this message to our message list, to our message into our adapter class, which is here, to this method update message, and this message will be set on a position. For example, if we have selected on position 1, then it will be on a position, then we will update our message in a list on that position to this new message. So for example, it will be false before, so previously, so we will change it to true and here. And now call to the method notify data change. This will refresh our adapter class. This will send a message to our adapter class that we have changed, we have made some changes in our data. So it will be refreshing, so it will be refreshed. Let's run our application. Okay, it's get build running. Installing APK. Okay, now if you click on -, and rain, we click again on it, it will be off. We click on good morning, it will be on and off. Let's try to explain again. First, we have created two variables here, read and read. We have created one variable which is read. If read is false, we will get this black icon and put it onto our view, and if it's true, so we will get this white icon. And to change this read and write, to read from false to true and true to false, we have, whenever we click on our item, for example, whenever we click on our item, it will be, if it's already true, then it will be changed to false. If it's already false, then it will be changed to true. And then we update our message in the message adapter, which is this class. And this ID is, for example, if we have selected the item on a position 2, this ID will be 2 here, and in array list, this message will be placed on a second position, on a second element, and the notify data set change will refresh our adapter class. It will send message to our adapter class that we have did some changes in our lists. So that's it, and it's working perfectly. So until next time, happy coding.